When it comes to real estate investing, you may think of real estate rentals or flipping homes. Those are all tried and true methods to achieve relatively high return on your investments as long as you don't overpay for the property. There are other ways to make money. As a real estate investor, one of the ways involve real estate zonings. This may not be the easiest way nor a low-risk method, but think of it as another tool in your arsenal. Dannylau here with Line Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. What is property zoning? Property zoning refers to municipal or local laws that dictates how a property can and cannot be used in certain geographic areas. There are zoning codes on each plot of land that the local community planned for a specific use. The idea behind zoning is to promote health and wellness of a community and maximize property value. That's why you don't typically see hospitals in the middle of an industrial zone or residential properties mixed in amongst warehouses. There are 8 main categories of land use: residential, commercial, multifamily, public, industrial, open space, agriculture, and right-of-way zonings. Now that you understand what zoning is, let's talk about how you can use zoning to your advantage to make money. The first way is to look for misplaced zoning opportunities. The idea behind this is to look for properties that have a zoning that allows for it to have a higher value than its current use. For example, you may sometimes come across properties for sale that are zoned for multifamily, but only have one single-family home on it. Now you can take advantage of that misplaced opportunity, either by reconfiguring the existing structure into a multifamily building or build more units on the property. You can find the property zoning by looking up the property tax record or by going down to the local planning department. The second way may be the easiest. Take advantage of municipal annexation and its master plan. Municipal annexation is when a city acquires land, expands its boundaries into adjacent areas not already incorporated as its jurisdictional territory. The master plan is a long-term planning document that provides a conceptual layout to guide the city's future growth and development. An investor can look at a plot of land, go check out the city's master plan, and realize that plot of land will be annexed into a shopping center in the future, and take advantage of the situation by buying the land at its current market value. One of the most difficult ways to profit from zoning is rezoning a property. Rezoning a property means to change the property's current usage and repurpose it. For example, you can repurpose a residential property into commercial space. If it is a residential rental, it can fetch $1,500 a month. But if you're able to rezone it into an office space and maximize the property potential, now you're collecting $3,000 a month, thus increasing the property value. The reason why rezoning is a difficult process is because your attempt does not guarantee results. The reason is that you don't get to decide if you can rezone the property. You have to apply so that the planning commission of your local community will decide. Nevertheless, the process will be time-consuming and may even get political. Utilizing zoning strategies for real estate for investor is not for everyone, and I don't necessarily advise it as a primary strategy, but it can be a complementary method when you're out scouting for your next investment. Share with me your thoughts on investing in real estate through zoning in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please take a moment to like it and hit subscribe. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. We can hop on a call and discuss how we can achieve your real estate goals. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.